We are looking at a Dash rapid egg cooker. This normally sells for $20 on the internet, and I got it for $4. Never been used, from Goodwill in Gorham. So basically what it is, it kind of works similar to a rice cooker. We're going to put the water in here, and when all the water is converted to steam, a buzzer's going to go off. So that's kind of nice in a way, because once the machine goes dry, it's telling you to turn it off. Now it has a platform for doing 6 eggs, 2 poached eggs, and this little pan they're calling an omelet pan. It's got a little cover on it. So we're going to try hard boiled first, but one of the reasons I did get it because my wife likes poached eggs, and I'm no big poached eggs successful maker here. So we'll try that and see what we can see. It's interesting. It's got the eggs are going to sit in there. They're basically going to steam. But if you look on the bottom of this container, there's a pin, and that we're going to use to put a hole in each egg, I guess, so they don't, crack or whatever while they're cooking. So here we have 2 eggs. It's funny because, of course, you're cooking them round side up. That's important. And we poked a hole, so basically they're flat on one end. Interesting. So let's cut them open and see if I got my hard-boiled egg or not. And there we go. Success. So we'll have to try some of the... You can see that these are slightly, not super hard-boiled. They're slightly soft, but that's okay. So, the taste test. I bet it tastes like eggs. It tastes like eggs. What's not to like? I like the fact that it's small. I can do 6 eggs in it, 300 watts only. So it's going to be economical, and plus it's a better size when there's only 3 of us here now.